Hi guys, just going to build the fourth design that comes with this Create and Fly paper planes kit. 10 ready to fold sheets, 5 plain sheets, sticker set, instruction booklet. It says fantastic. I've seen something similar marketed under the brand name of Graphics, but I couldn't find it when I looked online, so I can't give you a link to buying it. It comes with these 3 pre-printed sheets, and it also comes with some blank sheets. I've done the Thunderstorm, Hurricane Hawker and the Dart. That's a very simple one. And the glider doesn't look much more difficult, but we'll do that one just so that I can say I've done all 4. So I'll fold it in half, fold the corners in to that centre line. And then this time we've got to fold it over with a bit of a gap just there. So I'll judge this by eye. What's that, about 2.5 centimetres, just over an inch. And then we fold it again. That sun's going to come out, isn't it? It's been raining today. Okay, so we've done that, and then that bit folds up over there to hold it all in place. And then we fold the plane in half this way. Try and get that as neat as possible. And then fold the wings down. Doesn't actually tell us exactly how much. If you were using the original designs, you'd know where the folds were because the folds are on there. Right, I folded that so the front is shorter than the back, or the back is deeper than the front. So we've got a slight bend in at the back now. Okay, we'll see if that flies. Right, first test flight was pretty awful. I've refolded it and you can probably see this is much deeper now. So it's right up to the point, the wing fold line. And much deeper at the back. And that seems to have made it more stable. Well, that one flew okay. That was the glider. The only problem I had was it tended to rise up quite easily. So trying to get the full length of the kitchen, it'd keep hitting the roof or the ceiling. So I did add a little bit of weight at the front there, just to try and keep the nose down a bit. But it certainly had no trouble doing the distance. So yeah, that one's okay. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.